Hi folks, my name is Tom Peterson and I'm proud to do this presentation for you on this 2020 Heritage Glen by Forest River. It's a 26 BHHL, so it's got the bunkhouse, got a big slide out. We'll go ahead and show you on the inside how nice and open and airy this unit is. Got the nice sturdy step as you go in and your entranceway. We'll show you where that second door goes in and out as well too. But on the inside, you got that big super slide with nice big windows, U-shaped booth dinette. You also have a couch that is a tri-folding, nice couch that comes out so you can sleep maybe two good-sized adults if needed to as well. And then when you look in towards the back area, you see in that right corner the nice big double beds over each other there, so you can really sleep those plenty of kids. And you also have on the other side corner is going to be a huge shower, and nicely with a big light above it, skylight. You also got some storage, easy to get to everything in the bathroom, and you have an actually way to get in and out of the bathroom from the outside, which is also nice. As we look on the rest of the living area here in the kitchen, you've got nice doorway with pantry that you see inside. Refrigerator's up higher. Looks like it could be a larger fridge. Call me at the end of the video. I'll tell you what size. I think it could be as big as a 8 or a 10 cubic foot. We'll find out for you. It's got the 3-burner with the nice matching drawer that slides down underneath where the oven is there as well. Stainless steel finishes, and you've got really nice cabinetry in the kitchen and nice sealed rounded counters. Make it also very nice with that under counter sink and the fold down faucet, and makes it nice as well. You got a fireplace, and you've got big TV for viewing there with the entertainment center and nice speakers. You also have a doorway right here. As you come into the right, has more storage for coats and things when you come in. And the master up front has got some storage on both sides as well as overhead too, and windows on both sides for cross ventilation. Then you also in the bathroom, or in the master, you also have another closet, which you'll see is in here, which makes it really nice for more storage. You never can get enough, right? So nice big open concept bunkhouse model, super cool. The steps again are nice wide super steps. You got an outside refrigerator there, and then you've also got that doorway that we talked about going from the outside into the bathroom, and the awning covers both those doors, makes it really nice for getting out of the weather if you need to. Also has a flip down storage tray on the back end that you can leave up. Has a spare tire on there, and then when you need it, fold it down there and put some bikes in a cooler or maybe a generator, what have you. You've also got an outside shower, and then you've got a storage area that is going to be underneath the lower bunk that you can access from the outside. The pull valves are easy to get to on your for dumping your tanks. You also have the smooth exterior Phylon sidewall panels and nice larger opening pass-through storage all the way through, which makes it a lot easier to unload and load up stuff as well. Room for 2 nice big batteries up there. It's also got a nice fiberglass cap on the front here and a power tongue jack. So the tank covers on there for the 2 5-gallon tanks, easy to carry around and deal with. So if you have any more questions about this Heritage Glen, give me a call. Tom Peterson, Guaranty. Been here about 30 years and would love to help. And remember, here in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.